Snucone's Narrow Guided Kit, with its streamlined design, allows precise positioning and stable drilling, even in confined spaces. Snucone's narrow system can be used by attaching the GSS-NT37 sleeve to the surgical template. The inner diameter is precisely machined to fit 3.7, and with an overall height of 5.8 millimeters, it is compatible with Snucone implants with 3.2 and 3.5. To begin, place the surgical template into the patient's mouth. Using a pin drill, create the holes required for the lateral pins. Once you've finished using the pin drill, please insert the non-thread guide pin. Next, use a tissue punch to incise the gingiva. After using the tissue punch, remove the guide pin. Temporarily take off the template and clear out any remaining soft tissue inside. Once the tissue removal is done, reattach the template into the patient's mouth in reverse order. At this point, insert the thread guide pin into the template. In cases of sharp alveolar bone, you can use a bone flattener to flatten the bone for the procedure. Once the site is prepared, we begin the first drilling with the starter drill. After the starter drill, proceed with the final drill sequentially according to the protocol. The stopper designed on the drill and the metal sleeves of the template will ensure the correct drilling position and depth. If thick cortical bone expansion is necessary, finish with a countersink drill. Once the sequential drilling is complete, verify the final position of implant. Use an implant driver to place the implant into the desired location. Once the implant is placed, remove the guide pin and the template. Finally, use a hex driver to attach the healing abutment.